building a nest. That means she's getting close to being ready to have her babies. Go out here, we set her up a farrowing hut. Let's look at the new babies. Okay. Yesterday Petunia was making her nest. And today we have 8 new little piglets. Looks like 3 black ones, 3 tricolors, and 2 reds. Cute little boogers. Oh, I'm gonna go see the new babies. Yeah, I'm gonna go see the new babies. Let's go see Petunia's babies. Come on. Come on. Where are you going? I'm going in here. I'll be back. Okay. This is one of our boars, our American Guinea Hog boars. Another one of our sows. I just wanted to show you them because they're mostly black. Mary has white on her feet, and so does Boss. Don't you, Boss? And I'll show you the difference in the piglets that, oh, Boss is laid down, that Petunia had. This is their daddy. You can see he's all black. Where is it? Where is it, Boss? He's all black, and their mama's solid black. Like these little piglets here. These are 2 young piglets we had last year. And they're just big babies, as you can see. Ian's better get off him. Good boy, Boss. That's Boss. This is Big Boy. Easy, Big Boy. You can see his tusks. He's a little older. He's about a 5-year-old. Now, let's go out here and look at Petunia's new babies that were she just had today, this morning. American Guinea hogs are very gentle hogs. You can get around them even with babies. Now, Petunia is the most unpredictable out of our sows. Mary's very calm. I can climb right in there all around with them. But Petunia, she's a little bit unpredictable depending on the day. Petunia, good girl. Good girl. All right, this is the mama, Miss Petunia. You see, she's taking hay and made a real good nest for her babies. Okay. There's 8 of them up in there. Where is it? Good girl. Good girl. Hey to the little fellas. I don't know how many are girls or boys yet. I can see a couple little gilts. They're gonna... You can see how she's took the hay and made a huge nest for them. We watched her yesterday building a nest, so we knew she was ready to have them. Once these American Guinea hogs, once the sows start building the nest, you can pretty much bet that night or the next day they'll have their litter. Good girl, Petunia. Good girl. Petunia's a good mama. This is her 4th litter. And they'll get all up in that hay to stay warm when she's not in there. Easy, Petunia. Oh, you're a good girl. You're a good girl, aren't you? You're a good mama. Yes, you are. You can see she's got that hay all balled up under here. I mean, it's just a huge mound. She's made her a nice nest to keep her babies warm. Oh, what is it? What is it? Good girl. Good girl. Oh, she's gonna roll over. Let them nurse. Of course, we can't see anything with all this hay. But by tomorrow, those babies, they'll have them a little nest in the center. Usually they'll go right in the center and burrow it out. And that's where they're all asleep whenever it's cold, until they get a week or 2 old. Then they start getting a little fat on them, and they'll venture out a little more. But that's the newest additions to the homestead. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching. Is it Hope? Is it? Good girl. You can't get in my lap. You are too big for that. Good girl. Oh.